Gnicle is a strong example of what a sustainable business model can have on the next generation. She divorced her husband as he was a financial burden, and she was determined her daughters had good educations and learnt skills they can live by for their future. Even if you've got a good education, well-paid, stable jobs are hard to find in South Africa, but luckily 2 of her daughters have got jobs at the workshop where Zulucow's pieces are made. Gcinile, here with her little sister Spile, has taught herself how to embroider clothing with this digital machine.
It took me like a month or 2, I'm not sure, but it took me. But I had to do it like step by step, and then Karina was there to work more than I feel like that's fine.
Daughters now!
Yes.
Working here!
Yes, working. There's another one.
Oh! Samo!
And here's Samu, Gnicle's other daughter, who also has a valuable job at the workshop.
Have skills like you have. What
It means a lot because when you compare yourself to your peers, you see that you have tangible things, when they are not. It also means a lot because like I have more skills where like even if like I run out of work then I can still use my skills for something else, or maybe just find another job like in the same category. It means a lot.
It empowers you, doesn't it?
Fringe bag. Your mother probably made this.
If only there were more sustainable businesses like this in South Africa, providing a skill set, a good salary and hope for a better future for bright children, women and even men.